Hi everyone! Kumusta and welcome back to my channel. We're not going anywhere because ang nanay ay very busy. But today is Sunday. Gabi ang pasok ko. So, ngayon may time ako gagawa ng snacks ko. Maganda kasi guys paggawa mo yung sarili mong gawa yung snacks mo. Kaya ngayon back to our baking and magbe-bake ako ng Choco Bread. And before anything else, big shout out to all my subscribers who are always following my videos or watching my videos. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. And let's get started by showing you all the ingredients. Talang! Mga ingredients ng Choco Bread na gagawin ko ngayon. Una, dito sa dough, 4 cups of sifted flour, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2/3 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, and half teaspoon of salt. And for chocolate fillings, 1.5 cup of flour, half cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 1 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half cup of milk, and butter for brushing the bread, and a bit of sugar later for sprinkling. Right. Umpisa na natin by melting the dry yeast. Okay, may 2 tablespoons of warm water ako dito. I'll just add the 2 teaspoons of dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then, mix lang. Then, I'll set aside, let it rise in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. And then, while waiting, dito, napakita ko na ito, sifted na yung flour. I-add ko na lang dito itong salt and the remaining sugar. Right. And then, i-mix lang natin ito. I-mix natin. Right, mix na yan, guys. Okay. Hintayin lang natin na maging ready ang yeast. While waiting, ihanda na yung mga gagamitin natin mamaya. Let's say, itong baking tin. Kailangan maihanda na yan. Na-brush ko na ito. Dalawa kasi maliliit ito at saka marami itong gagawin ko ngayon. And then, itong bowl para lagyan ng dough ay na-brush ko na rin ng melted butter. But it's up to you kung melted butter or cooking oil and i-brush. As long as hindi didikit yung dough dito. Maya. Alright. Yan pa rin. Okay. And the working surface, kailangan ito na ma-brush din mamaya na. Okay guys, we will start the mixing of other ingredients. Itong butter, i-mix ko lang dito. And the egg, just mix it away. And then, milk. And, you check. See? Kung nakita ninyo yung yeast is a bubble. So, that means active, very active yung yeast natin. And then, ready. Mix na dito. So, guys, kung wala kayong stand mixer, pwede din kamay. Noon, ganyan ang ginagawa ko. O, pareho lang result. Kailangan lang ng extra effort. So, ano natin. Tapos, i-down dito. Need natin siya ng 1 to 6 minutes. Then, i-check kung ready na ba. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya paano makita kung maging ready na yung dough. Okay? Let's switch on and the low speed muna. Just into a medium speed, into 3. Yan guys, hindi pa yan ready. Kung wala nang didikit sa gilid, yan ay ready na. Right guys, nakita ninyo, wala nang dumikit sa gilid ng bowl ng stand mixer. So, that means ready na yan. Right guys, tapos na. So, i-transfer natin ang dough dito sa working surface. Nilagyan ko na ito ng butter. Like that. Kasi matigas siya guys. Right, okay. Kunin natin saglit. Tapos, i-transfer dito sa bowl. Lagay natin dito sa bowl. Then, takpan natin ng cling film. Then guys, we will set aside and let it rise into 1 hour. Okay? Right guys, habang naghihintay ng dough na maging ready, prepare natin itong filling. Dito sa flour, i-add natin ang lahat ng mga dry ingredients. Ito salt, baking powder. Muna. Sip muna natin ito. Cocoa powder. Right. Sip natin ito ng ganyan. And i-mix natin ang sugar. Mix lang natin ng maayos. I-mix natin ang egg. And milk. Next na lang natin. And then guys, gagawa tayo ng parang small ball. Right guys, yan na ang nagawa ko na yung choco mix for filling. Right guys, check na natin. Okay na. Oh. Once done, para surface. Yan lang natin guys. Natin. Cover natin muna guys ang isa dito para hindi matuyuan. Right, ito muna gagawin natin. Gawa tayo ng ganito. Very fluffy. So, malaki-laki dito sa, guys, sa choco. Balot lang natin ganyan. Ilagay na siya dito. Okay. Ganyan. Bahala. And then, i-roll. Yan, ganyan. Okay, ganyan lang guys. Okay. Roll. Okay. Right guys. Ito na yung itsura, guys, na nagawa natin. Okay? And then, we'll set aside for another 45 minutes and then we'll get ready for the oven. Okay? And then, gagawin natin itong the rest. The other half. Right, guys? Ito, iba ang gagawin ko dito. Ito ang naglutuan. Round. Okay. And then, kasi may natira pa na choco balls, lalagay ko siya dito sa gitna. Ganyan. Yun. So, takpan ito ng cling film, tapos another 45 minutes. Right guys, almost there. So, we will switch on our oven into 170 degrees. Okay, ito na. Ready for the oven. Ito guys. Okay? Makita nyo, masyado na silang dikit. Lumalaki sila. We will bake it into 15 to 20 minutes. But, laging i-check kung naging brownish na, ayun, luto na yun. Okay? Right guys, check na natin. Okay. Ito na, tang-tang, ang laki nila guys. So, mainit pa. Well, ang gonna do, i-brush ko siya ng melted butter. Yan. Ay, may ano ako, sugar. Just sprinkle it with a bit. Okay? That's it. Okay guys, look at this. Oh, mainit pa. Oh, look. Okay guys, yun na ang nagawa ko ngayon na snacks. Okay? If you enjoy my video, just give me a thumbs up, any comments, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you will be notified of my future videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.